What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Chop. What we got planned for today's video is a simple appetizer. We're gonna make stuffed garlic bread, and guess what we're gonna stuff it with? Some spinach dip. Alright, so the ingredients you're gonna need for this garlic bread is your 1 loaf of baguette bread, your mozzarella cheese, your spinach, your cream cheese, and cream cheese spread. Let's put this together and see what we get. Alright, so we're going to start with the spinach dip first. So what you do, you can grab a large bowl that looks like this. You're going to throw in your cream cheese inside, same thing with your cream cheese spread. And then what you're going to do after is you're going to add in your spinach, and then you're going to throw in some mozzarella. Like that. Now using these guys right here, your hands, you're going to mush it together until it's nicely and combined. Once you're done combining it nicely, we'll go on to doing the baguette. Alright, so now that we have the spinach dip done and we have it set aside, now we're going to start with the baguette. So what you want to do is you want to cut off the edges of the baguette, and then you want to cut it into 3/3 like this. And then what you're going to do is grab a small thin knife like this, and you're going to set it aside on the side like this. And you're just going to remove the insides by just cutting right along the crust, just like that. You want it to look something like this. And then just remove that, put it inside the bowl. Like that. Flip it on the other side. Do the same on the other side. Just like that. Alright, so now that we have the stuffing in the inside of the breading taken out, we're going to stuff it with the spinach dip now. So you're going to grab a spoon, and then you're just going to stuff it in like that, the spinach dip. Just like that. And then just push it. Alright, now that we have the bread stuffed with the spinach dip, what you're going to do is you're going to cut it about 1 inch, half an inch thick, like that. After you're done cutting it, you're going to place it on an aluminum foil, like that. And then you're just going to cover it up. Like this. Done with that, you're going to set your oven to 420 Fahrenheit and straighten it up for 20 minutes. Alright, so we're just about done. Now I'm just going to brush it with some butter garlic. Get that nice garlic flavor. Just like that. And then when we're done, set it back in for another 5 minutes. Get that nice golden crust on it. And we're good to go. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. There's your garlic bread stuffed with spinach dip. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to check out my Facebook page at Cooking House of Pitacariu. We'll see you guys next time right here on Chop.